Alright guys, what is up? Good morning, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. So I'm here inside another car, and it's not my car, it's my girlfriend's car. And today I'm actually taking it to get an installation on her axle back exhaust, which is from MRT. It's the version 2. The only difference with that is I think it's like the muffler size, but it's almost the same sounding and everything. And yeah, she's just tired of having a quiet car. She wants to hear a little noise, you know. And yeah, her car's a lot better than mine for, you know. It's a 2012 version of the Camaro RS. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of cool things on it. By the way, did I forget to mention this is a daily driver? Yeah, so my car and her car are daily drivers. So you guys can see it's like full of ice, and they literally sit out there, you know. And I guess freeze to death. But it's okay. Once we get our own place, we're gonna be nice and tucked away in our storage. And to take our stuff storage. You guys know what I mean. I'm so excited for the exhaust. It's gonna be nice. Sorry for that. Almost there. All right, so right now we are picking up my girl's car with the new exhaust system, and we're about to check out the way it sounds like after a few reps. Just how to give it some reps. So bear with me for a second and I'll change the camera.